stop scrolling and just for a second I want you to forget the human celebrities for just a second. And we have a breaking news here that just changed the music industry forever. An artificial intelligent artist, Xania Monet, okay, just landed a massive $3 million record deal with Hollywood media. Like, this isn't a human with a cool filter, This is an AI generated star racking up millions of streams. Now, why should you care? Because this is the ultimate proof of an power of AI in the content creation. Like, look at this exact revolution we have been showing you, right? And in this exact video, you can also check on my exact channel that I have already created a tutorial on how you can build your own viral influencer and digital asset too. Like, we are already leading and helping people leveraging this tech, and this is a massive leap for all virtual creators, showing that the future of AI is here. And with your AI you can build your next $1 million venture that could be literally a one click away. And also you are just working with your laptop, so ethics is all about the AI tools and creating extra important and just crazy stuff with the AI, which can make you plenty of money and can keep you ahead of this revolution. So I really want you to just smack that subscribe button and check out that video right now, because in the future we are gonna create the more videos like this. And really, let's check at her channel. As you can see, the numbers don't lie. Like, when you pull up Xania Monet's channel, this isn't something quick or a cheap AI stunt. Like, we are literally talking about the studio quality and RB ballads with a professional sound and emotional delivery that has already put her on the multiple billboard charts. And the feat usually reserved for human artists with full record label tracking. And that her track How Was I Supposed to Know shot the #1 on the R&B digital song sales chart and is racking up millions on the streams. Like, look at the comment section. People aren't talking about AI, they are talking about the music. So it's not even like that if you know how to use AI tools you are done everything. No, you have to achieve an proficiency in it. And how you can achieve it? You can achieve it by continuous and rigorous practice, implementing it and using your creativity, right? So this entire project, the music, the persona and the chart of success, is a masterclass in how powerful generative AI has become. And just trust me, this is gonna be insane in just upcoming few months or few years, you can say. So that's why I'm continuously saying you make sure that you are using plenty of AI tools which can make your workflow easier, and you can even earn a passive income out of it. And Ethics is all our channel on which we upload various tutorials of the newly AI tools which are banging the current market right now, and people are creating awesome stuff out of it which they are making money with. And also you can see on our channel there are plenty of the AI videos, AI tutorial videos of the various AI tools which can even make your workflow easier and more better. So this is your chance to just make sure that you're subscribing our channel, because the upcoming content is gonna be crazy. And if you want to learn how you can create the music out of the AI just like this and achieve the proficiency, just tell me in the comment section. I'll be there with the whole tutorial video on this. And I guess she was using some kind of AI tool. Okay, I'll also reveal it in the video, but if you want the tutorial, just inform me up in the comment section. I'll be all up with the whole tutorial that how we can generate music with the help of AI, various AI tools. And you can also start your venture or something crazy just like this. And trust me, this revolution gonna be a game changer, because this is just the starting. And it's all about the music field. She is ruling here, even though in other fields too AI is gonna rule. And the only person who is all friendly with the AI tools and know how to use it, how to create awesome stuff out of it, gonna rule the whole world, right? So I want you to just stay ahead of the competition, and I'll try my best to help you up with various AI tools which will make your workflow easier and better. So hope so this video was helpful for you, and you can see how the AI is capturing the whole stuff and upcoming market too. So this is kind of surprising thing, but it's also very much more useful too, and we all can do it, right? So till that time, we'll meet in the next video with something crazy. And make sure you're gonna subscribe this channel, because all the lot of stuff have been planned is gonna come on this channel, and it's absolutely crazy for you.